Hola amigos, welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you my basic YouTube setup, video shooting and editing. What gears and accessories I use. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all guys, my Bluetooth HP branded keyboard and mouse. This is my mouse pad. This is my Western Digital external hard disk 1 TB. And guys, I have powered the USB hub externally so the mobile won't drain while using the hard disk. These are the eyeball 4-port USB hub. This is a car mount that I am using. I am using the KineMaster Premium for video editing. And guys, this is my primary camera, my iPhone 6s. This is my secondary camera and video editing, Samsung Galaxy M51. And this is my camera application, Filmic Pro.